What's up guys, this is Darrell. In this video I'll be showing you exactly how to create a folder on Windows. Now let's get straight to the point. First thing you have to do, right click, hit the new and then folder. That's it, you've just created a folder in here. Now you could rename that folder to whichever name you would like. Here it is. And inside that folder, you can open that folder and do the same exact thing. Create another folder like this one. Real easy, guys. You can also rename that folder into whichever name you would like. And then create another folder. Same drill. New, and then hit folder. Same exact thing. And now, after that, guys, you could also add in other folders inside a folder that you made. Like, say, this one. Oh, that didn't work. Now, let's try another one here. How about the shortcut? Okay, now you could also add that one. Alright guys, that is how you create a folder in Windows. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.